Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, ingathi kusazoshuba guys, in this whole thing of Utumera trying to take her life, uLikamva trying to now be the man of the house and not wanting anything to do with Uhlati forcing Uyanga to come and stay with Uzolega now trying to play stepmother, guys. Hayi kuningi. So we see Uhlati decides to go and visit Utumega esibhedlela, you guys. And when he enters the room, when Utumega notices ubang Uhlati ungena apha ekamereni lakhe, she then says to him ba ungeniswe ngubana ndibaxelile honest bangangenisi umuntu kakhulukazi wena. Uhlati then says hi Tumega. Andizelanga apho uzolwa benifuna ukwazi unobangela bekutheni uze wenze lento yenzileyo bekutheni ude ufuna ukudla ezapilisi. Utumeka just looks away. Uhlati goes on to say yintoni lento engaka ngami ecaba engaqhubela entweni yokuba uthatha ubomi bakho. Ndifuna uqonda man yintoni ubuzama ukufumana i-attention yami. Utumeka's like i-attention yakho. Uhlati then says andazi kaloku maybe you thought wenza lento izondenza ba ndifuna ukubuyela kuwe. Utumeka frowns like to say what? Utumeka then says he? Uhlati then says ibukeka kanjalo kaloku Tumeka ndifuna uqonda what about abantwana Tumeka Hayi man Tumeka hayi. As Uhlati speaking like that, next thing uLikamva's in the room and is like yazi unesibindi ubekwa yintoni apha? The way you think the world revolves around you. Awubona umama usenhlungwini. Uhlati then says ayidimenanga nawe lento le Likamva. uLikamva then says ndizoxela uphume ke. Uhlati is like hayibo wena. uLikamva then says phuma and he pulls Uhlati by the arm. Uhlati is like yey wena andizuva ngawe wedini. uKamva then says cela uphume. Uhlati just looks at him. uKamva goes on to say awenayilanga ba uphule inhliziyo kamama uzothini ngoku uzomgqibezela ufuna afe cela uphume phuma. He pulls Uhlati. Uhlati holds uLikamva ngamawashing, guys. He pushes him against the wall. Uhlati's like yey wena wedini uLikamva this side is saying uyanilimaza. Uhlati's like ndisenguyihlo. Utumeka's like kaniyeke lento eniyenzayo. uLikamva's like uyanilimaza ndiyeke man. Uhlati then says thoba umoya wedini. Next thing, guys, the doctor's in there. Utumeka's like, ncedani. The doctor came in with security guards. The doctor's like, whoa. Kume hantoni lapha? Noba yintoni eyenzakayo apha? Mrs. Mabandla akayidingi. uLikamva's like makaphume ke. The doctor then says akayidingi Mrs. Mabandla le ngqondo. He looks at uLikamva, he's like shisa umoya wena. Shisa umsindo. Futhi phumani apha. Phumani nobabini. The security guards guys, they're trying to usher both uLikamva and Uhlati out of the room. Katumeka. Uhlati's like sunbamba man. Speaking to the security guard. uKamva, as they taking him out, he's like mama ndiyaxolisa ngayo yonke lento oyibonileyo ngo. Utumeka's crying there, you guys. uKamva's like mama ndiyakucela cela ungasivaleli ngaphandle sisafuna ukubona siyadinga mama. The doctor's like alrighty ma'am. Utumeka's just crying one way, guys. Guys, at the end of the day, Utumeka must take accountability for what she did, because she is part of the reason of why things are like this. She might hate Uzolega and might be blaming Uhlati, but come on, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this, you guys. Do you think the relationship kaHlati benoKamva izolunga, or will uLikamva forever hate uHlati for what he did kumamakhe? Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.